Match the vocabulary terms with their correct definitions. Column A, 1 id, 2 ego, 3 superego. Column B, A, the part of the personality that is in touch with reality and strives to meet the demands of the id and the superego in socially acceptable ways. What we can do. B, the part of the unconscious personality that contains our needs, drives, instincts, and repressed material, what we want to do. And C, the part of the personality that is the source of conscious and inhibits the socially undesirable impulses of the id, what we should do. What were some of the things Sigmund Freud believed when it came to understanding personality? Choose all that are correct. A, many of experiences, especially painful childhood ones, are never forgotten but stored in our unconscious. B, unconscious motives and feelings from our childhood have a strong impact on us when we are adults. C, observing how one treats another person may lead to personality characteristics in the future. Fill in the blank. A specific means by the ego to protect itself against unpleasant impulses or circumstances are called blank. Superego strategies, defense mechanisms, conscious content, psychoanalytic phases. Explain one of the defense mechanisms that was discussed in the lesson. Rationalization, repression, denial, projection, reaction forming, regression, displacement, or sublimation. You may use the audio option to record your answer. Carl Jung's examples of our ancestral experiences with the world, such as the wise old man and the hero, in terms of personality are called A, archetypes, B, inferiority complexes, C, prototypes. Fill in the blank. Alfred Adler described a person who continually tries to make up for their weaknesses and avoids their feelings of inadequacy as having a blank rationalization issue, personality disorder, superego personality, or inferiority complex.